Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen at home. First, let's create a flavorful broth, the heart of any great ramen. Start with about 4 cups of your preferred base, like chicken or vegetable broth. Gently simmer it with a few slices of fresh ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 20 minutes. This infuses a wonderful aroma. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and a small dash of sesame oil to complete your delicious base. Now, let's get those noodles ready and prepare our toppings. Boil your ramen noodles until they are perfectly al dente, which typically takes 2 to 3 minutes. For a classic soft-boiled egg, cook them for exactly 6½ minutes, then immediately plunge them into an ice bath to stop the cooking. Don't forget your protein. Thinly slice some pre-cooked pork belly or chicken breast for a satisfying addition. It's time for the exciting part, assembling your beautiful ramen bowl. First, gently place your perfectly cooked noodles into a large, deep bowl. Next, carefully ladle the hot, aromatic broth over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finally, arrange your delicious toppings, like the soft-boiled egg, sliced meat, and any vegetables, artfully on top. This creates a visually appealing and incredibly tasty meal. The best part about homemade ramen is customizing it to your taste. Finish your bowl with fresh garnishes like thinly sliced scallions, a sheet of nori, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. Feel free to experiment with other vegetables, such as blanched spinach or sautéed mushrooms, to add more texture and flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, personalized ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.